Hello everyone, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, I want to show you how you can learn AI, and you can learn it as a beginner. Getting into AI is quite difficult, and I'll be honest with you, I'm learning a lot of this stuff myself. So I'm not coming to you as an expert, I'm coming to you as somebody that is also trying to learn AI. And a couple things. First off, Google has announced, and they've just launched a free 10 course learning path or track. And here I am on it here. You'll see it's called the Generative AI Learning Path. It has 10 activities, which is basically it's got 10 it's got 10 courses. And when I click down here, you'll see them all right here. So here's the first course, Introduction to Generative AI. Then it goes to Introduction to Large Language Models, Introduction to Responsible AI, Generative AI Fundamentals. It doesn't say introduction in it, but you'll see here that in terms of requirements, it's still an introductory course. And then the fifth and final introductory course is Introduction to Image Generation. Once you get outside these first 5 courses, the 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10, I believe some of them require a little bit of Python knowledge and a little bit of things like that, but you may actually pick that up in some of these courses already. So it's hard to say. I haven't done them yet, but I do want to bring them to your attention. Encoder, decoder architecture, attention mechanism, transformer models, and BERT model. BERT, that sounds good. And these last ones, create image captioning models and introduction to generative AI Studio. So there are 10 courses that you can take, depending on whether or not you're at the beginner's levels all the way through to a more advanced level. I'm going to show you some other stuff because Microsoft is also in on the game. If I click over here, and I'll put links to all of these courses in the description below, but they've also got a learning path, or multiple learning paths, pardon me. This one here is Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals, getting started with artificial intelligence. This is for, newbies in the AI space. I'm currently working my way through it. You'll see here it's about 47. I've got 47 minutes remaining, so it's a little over an hour, I believe. And then there's another course here. If I go down a little bit, you'll see this one here. It says Introduction to Azure Open AI Service. I'm also working my way through this one as well, and I think that's about maybe an hour long or so. Finally, for those of you that are a little bit more advanced, or you have a little bit of Python experience, again, I haven't done the courses yet, but I believe that is something that at least you might want to consider before taking this. But using Coursera, they have a free machine learning specialization set of courses as well that you can take. Do note that there is a paid version as well. It's like $66 a month or $50 a month or something like that, where you can get the certificates. But if you just want to audit the courses for free, they're offered by deeplearning.ai and Stanford. That's quite a institution. And yeah, there are 3 courses in this specialization. Let me show you the specialization here. So if you just click over here, and again, I'll link it in the description below. Oops, I went a little too far. Let's go back a bit. There it is. There are 3 courses. So it goes about, how it works, then courses. When I click on courses, here are the 3 courses. Supervised machine learning, regression, and classification. And you look at the scores here. These aren't like Yelp reviews. These are people that have taken the course and paid for the course and given it a rating. So they're 4.9 out of 5. So these are really high scores. The second one is advanced learning algorithms, and the third one is unsupervised learning, recommenders, reinforcement learning. So 3 courses in this specialization. You can audit them for free, or alternatively, you can pay to get the certification. Finally, I'm going to show you Microsoft one last time, because Microsoft also has a learning path for those of you that want to get certified using Azure AI Fundamentals, and this is something I'm considering as well. And I'll link this as well, but if you look at this, at the learning path, you'll notice that there are multiple learning paths here, and I believe this one here has like 6 large courses in it that you could take in order and follow the path, and then eventually write exam AI 900, which is the Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals certification. So those are all available now. Some of them are free, some of them are not, some of them are for beginners, some of them are not. If you know of any other courses, please leave a comment below. I'll take a look at them all, and I'll even include them in a future video. Thanks for watching.